Earlier this month, the Biden administration announced its most extensive aid package for Ukraine worth $3.75 billion, as part of which it pledged to Kyiv a consignment of Cold War-era Zuni unguided rockets. There are two ways the Ukrainian forces could employ them, one for air-to-ground attacks and another for a World War II-era tactic that could be used against airborne targets. The second way could be especially relevant to the threat posed by Iranian-made kamikaze drones that the Russians are using very effectively to wreak havoc on the Ukrainian energy grid and other critical infrastructure. The Zuni rocket was developed in the 1950s by engineers at China Lake, which is the single largest landholding of the U.S. Navy, with 85% of the total land used for weapon and armaments research, development, acquisition, testing, and evaluation that hosts more than 2,000 engineers working on developing and testing new munitions. Zuni rocket is an improved version of the high-velocity aircraft rocket Havar, also called the Holy Moses, used as an air-to-surface weapon during World War II. Introduced by the Hunter Douglas division of Bridgeport Brass Company in 1958, the Zuni rocket outperformed the Havar in terms of velocity, penetrating power, and range. The U.S. military used Zuni rockets till the 1980s, after which it was replaced. It was designed to be used against enemy bombers, pillboxes, gun positions, trains, car convoys, ammo dumps, and small ships. The 127mm Zuni unguided air rockets of the air-to-air class are similar to the Soviet S-13 or S-25 rockets. However, they have more intriguing features, such as the Zuni's 8-kilometer firing range. Also, the modular architecture of the rocket allows for the employment of various warheads and fuses. Nevertheless, no details are available about how these American-made rockets would be adapted and integrated with Ukraine's Soviet-origin aircraft. The U.S. Deputy Assistant Secretary Laura K. Cooper said, "I think I trust our and Ukrainian engineers. So, they have done this successfully. And, it is something that is possible." The Pentagon officials said the supply of Zuni to Ukraine is one of the American efforts to help them to make their existing aircraft fleet as effective as possible.